Hi, we're gonna make Chinese sausage fried rice today. And Chinese sausage, like that, we cut it dice pieces, and we use about 3 pieces uh, sausage, and you cook it in like boiling water for like half an hour until it gets soft. So okay, we start cooking the fried rice right now. Put the oil in it. Okay, then we're gonna use the 2 eggs and 2.5 cups of rice and some bean sprout, handful of bean sprout and handful of green pepper and diced regular onions, and that's it. So we wait until the oil get hot. Okay, it's hot enough right now. So we put 2 eggs in it. So you have to cook the egg kind of get, you have to make sure they get done before when it's too runny, that makes the rice sticky or doesn't look good, you know. So you have to fry them up, the egg cook, you know, make sure they cook. Then you put the bean sprout in it and onions. Everything in it. Also the Chinese sausage. When you're cooking the Chinese sausage, the fried rice, you make sure the sausage is tender when you're boiling them until they are tender. Yeah, that heat up pretty good. So okay, so you can see them start clear up, you know, the bean sprout and the onion. So you put the rice in it. You kind of loosen up all the rice so they don't stick together. Today we're using the already cooked rice overnight. You can use fresh cooked rice and doesn't make much a difference. And also, if you want to see how to cook the rice, you can look it up our video to look it up how to cook rice. Fry them up a little bit longer until it's brown up a little bit more. You know, to brown the rice up, you can see the color kind of little brown in it. And after that, we put about half teaspoon of white pepper in it. Yeah, okay, then Then after that, we put about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce in it. And about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. You want to brown that up a little bit more. The more you're cooking it, the more, that you can kind of fry them, kind of browning them a little bit more. Okay, that's about done. Okay, this is Chinese pork sausage fried rice.